Morning students, now example number 7 of exercise 8.2. A milkman sold 2 of his buffaloes for rupees 20,000 each. On one, he made a gain of 5% and on the other a loss of 10%. Out of 2 buffalo having a selling price 20,000 rupees, from the one he already earned profit of 5% and from the another one he suffer a loss of 10%. Find his overall gain or loss in find cost price of each. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to find out cost price of each, and then after we have to find out he gets a profit or loss. Understood? Now see the first. Suppose the cost price of buffalo be X rupees, right? So therefore profit percentage is equal to 5%, right? Therefore amount of profit is equal to 5 upon 100 multiply X is equal to 5x upon 100 rupees, right? It's a what amount of profit. Therefore selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Now what is the cost price? 20,000 rupees plus what is the profit? 5x. The cost price is what? X plus what is the profit? 5x upon 100 is equal to x upon 1. So what's LCM? 100, right? And 1 LCM is equal to 100. So is equal to 100x plus 5x upon 100 is equal to 100 plus 5, 105x upon 100 rupees, right? But here the selling price is given. Selling price is equal to 20,000 rupees, which is already given over here, right? Selling price of each buffalo is what? 20,000 rupees. Therefore we can say 105x upon 100 is equal to 20,000. Therefore 105x is equal to 20,000 multiply 100, right? Therefore x is equal to 20,000 multiply 100 upon 105. Now 25 is 100, right? And 21 5 is 105, right? Therefore x is equal to 20,000 multiply 20 upon 21 is equal to 2 to the 4. Then after how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0 upon 21, right? So if we divide it, so we get 19,047.61 rupees. 19,047.61 rupees, right? What it is? X means what? Cost price, right? Now let's try for the next one. Suppose the cost price of the second buffalo is equal to rupees Y. Now here loss percent is how much? 10%, right? He suffer a loss of how many? 10%. Therefore amount of loss is equal to 10 percentage of cost price CP, right? Is equal to 10 upon 100 multiply y is equal to 10y upon 100 rupees, right? Now selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. What is the cost price? Y minus what's the loss? 10y upon 100 is equal to 100y minus 10y upon 100, right? As per the what? LCM 100. Now 100y minus 10y, so 90y upon 100 rupees, right? So however, in very first we have done same way here. Now selling price of a buffalo is equal to 20,000 rupees, right? Which is already given over here. Therefore 90y upon 100 is equal to 20,000, right? Therefore 90y is equal to 20,000 multiply 100. Therefore y is equal to 20,000 multiply 100 upon 90, right? 0 0 is cut, so is equal to 20,000 multiply 10 upon 9 is equal to 1 2 3 4 and 1 0, so 50 upon 9. If we divide it, we get 22,222.22 rupees. Got it? Is the what? Cost price. What it is? Cost price. So therefore the total cost price. Now total cost price is equal to x plus y. So for what we got it for the x? 19,047.61 rupees. So 19,047.61 rupees plus 22,222.22 rupees, right? So if we add it, plus 22,222.22, 1 plus 2 3, 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 2 9, 4 plus 2 6, 0 plus 2 2, 9 plus 2 11, so 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4, so 41,269.83 rupees. What it is? Cost price, right? Now what we have to find out? Profit or loss. See here, the total cost price is 41,269.83, while if suppose we talk about the selling price, sold 2 of his buffaloes for rupees 20,000 each, means the selling price of the 2 buffalo is how much? 20,000 plus 20,000, so 40,000. So what is the selling price? Total selling price 40,000, right? So here selling price is less than cost price, right? Selling price is less than, therefore selling price is less than cost price, therefore there is a loss. What is here? Loss, right? Now amount of loss is equal to selling price, cost price minus selling price. What is the cost price? 41,269.84 minus 40,000. So what we get? 1,269.84 rupees. So we can say overall loss is of rupees 1269.84 rupees. Understood? Sure? Good. 8. The price of TV is 13,000 rupees. The sales tax charge on it is at the rate of 12%. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. So whatever cost on it, the charges already is incurred, right? Is involved, included. So first of all, we'll find out what amount already he is paid. Price of TV is equal to how much rupees? 13,000 rupees, right? Then after the sales tax is equal to how many percent? 12%, right? So therefore, amount of sales tax is equal to 12 upon 100 multiply 13,000. 0, 0, 0, 0. So is equal to 12 multiply 130, right? So now 12 multiplied 13, 0, 1 2 are 2, 1 1 are 1, 3 2 are 6, 3 1 are 1, 6, 3, 1. So 1, 3, 6. And how many 0 we have to add? 1. Sorry. 3 2 are. See, sorry, here there is a mistake in the multiplication. 1 2 are 2, right? 1 1 are 1. Now 3 2 are 6 and 3 1 are 3. So 0 plus 6, 6, 2 plus 3, 5 and 1. So 1, 5, 6. And then after how many 0 we have to add? 1. So 1,560 rupees. What it is? Amount of sale tax, right? Now, total amount paid by Vinod Bhai is equal to how much rupees? The cost price of television 13,000. And what is the sales tax? 1,560 rupees, right? So 13,000 plus 1,560. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 6, 6, 0 plus 5, 5, 3 plus 1, 4, 1. So 14,560 rupees is paid, right? Total amount Vinod Bhai have to pay for television. Understood? Now example number 9. Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount given was 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1,600, find the mark price. See here, suppose the discount is always calculated on the which price? Mark price. Suppose the mark price means MP of a pair of skates be rupees X, right? And what is the discount? Discount percent is equal to 20%. Now from it we'll find out what amount of discount. So amount of discount is equal to 20 upon 100 multiply X is equal to 20x upon 100 rupees. It's a clear? Sure. Now selling price. Selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. Now what is the mark price? X rupees, right? What's the discount? 20x upon 100, right? Is equal to 100 1. So right, so 100x minus 20x upon 100, right? Now 100x minus 20x, so 80x upon 100 rupees is a what? Selling price, right? But here the selling price is given how much rupees? 1600 rupees, right? Which is already given over here. Therefore, x is equal to 1000. Therefore, 1600 is equal to 20x upon 80x upon 100. 1600 is equal to 80x upon 100. Therefore, 1600 multiply 100 is equal to 80x. Therefore, 1600 multiply 100 upon 80 is equal to x. Now 0 0 is cut, 8 to the 16. Therefore, 200 multiply 10 is equal to x. Therefore, 200 multiply 10, so 2000 is equal to x. Therefore, we can say the mark price of a pair of skates is rupees 2000. Got it? Sure. Good. Now example number 9. I purchased a hair dryer for rupees 5400 including 8% VAT. Find the price before VAT was added. So here amount is given with including what? VAT 8%, and we have to find out without VAT, the cost price of without. Find the price before VAT was added. Now cost price of a hair dryer is equal to 5004 rupees, right? And VAT percentage, how many? 8%. Other two things already we have, right? The cost price is 5400 and the weight is 8%. Now amount of weight is equal to 8% of x is equal to 8 upon 100 cost price of a hair dryer is 5400 rupees and weight percentage 8%, right? Now amount of weight is equal to 8% of x. X means what? Suppose the amount price of a hair dryer without weight. Here x is a what? Price without weight. So amount of weight is equal to 8 upon 100 multiply x is equal to 8x upon 100 rupees. Got it? Now price after weight. Is equal to x plus 8x upon 100 is equal to 100x LCM, right? So 100x plus 1 8x upon 100 is equal to 100x plus 8x, 108x upon 100 rupees. Got it? But here the price is given how much rupees? 5,400. Price of hair dryer is equal to 5,400 rupees, right? Therefore 108x upon 100 is equal to 5,400. Therefore 108x is equal to 5,400 multiply 100. Therefore x is equal to 5,400 multiply 100 upon 108. Got it? Now let's see the division. Now 5,400 divided by 108. How many is a 50s are? 108 50s are 5,400 is equal to 50 multiply 100. So 5 ones are 5. Then after how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 0. Right? So we can say the price of a hair dryer before adding GST is rupees 5,000. Understood? Therefore, the price of a hair dryer before weight is equal to 5,000 rupees. Got it? Sure? Good. Now see the next example, example number 11, which is the last of the same exercise. An article was purchased for rupees 1,239 including GST of 18%. Find the price of the article before GST was added. See in example number 10, weight is given right before weight. Now here before GST, which is the similar example already. Suppose the price of an article